Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sai with Pinnacle Trading here. We're going to take a look at one ETF today that I think is great when markets make a move like this. We've seen markets come down since past 2 weeks, and we've seen markets sell off and crazy volatility going on. So what do we do? What kind of ETF, or where can we park our money or put money and be confident in when markets are correcting or crashing or going downwards and a lot of volatility? This is a great one. This is going to be called SPLV. The symbol is SPLV. And this is an Invesco exchange trade fund that tracks S&P 500. And this is a low volatility one. So what that means is that when we see markets make a big drop like this on the normal S&P 500, and we see things like Apple or like Tesla just make a big drop, this one is going to track 100 of the low volatility ones. Even though the stock price can fall, it's not a huge stock, so it's not going to be too expensive for smaller accounts to buy, and you can also accumulate these shares, and it also pays a monthly dividend, so I think it's great. And just looking at this on a 3-year chart, you can see that's continuously gone up and just bounced off any support that it came down on. And if we look at like a 10-year chart, we can see it's a continuous steady growth. Even though we see drops like in March 2020 when the quarantine, COVID started hitting, and we saw things being shut down, all of that, even though it did go down a little bit, bounce back up, markets bounce back up, and this came up as well. And what was it doing during these months? Even though it was going down, it was paying you dividends every single month. So that's what I like about this. So that's SPLV. Let's take a look at how much dividend it pays and what the yield is. So the price right now is about 63.7. And if you look at the dividend, it's about 97 cents per share per year, or every month it's going to be about 10 cents or so per share. So this dividend yield about 1.53%. It's not crazy. It's not something that's going to make you super rich with just 100 shares, but as you accumulate these shares over time, the dividend is going to be paid out every month, and that allows your portfolio to just continue and accumulate and grow faster and faster over time. So we can look at this one, and we can go down. This is from Nasdaq.com. So you can see it pays about 10 cents, a little over 10 cents every month. And the dividend goes up almost every month, or every few months. It's gone up. When markets are not doing well, they'll reduce a little bit, but it's paid about 10 cents per share every month. And if you go back to about, let's say 5-6 years from now, it was about 8 cents, 9 cents, 7 cents, and so on. But overall, it's going to be going up, and it's going to pay you those dividends every single month. And that's great, because when we have market correction, and if you just look at the normal S&P 500 and just on the yearly chart, we're not really getting paid for just to hold this stock. Or let's say we just have Apple, it does pay dividends and such, but you're gonna have to stomach that when the stock drops, and we don't want to see that in portfolio. So where we want to kind of park our money or kind of keep it in a low volatile place is going to be ETF like this, or another one that you find. And always, I'm not a broker or financial advisor in any way. This is just my analysis and my sharing of thoughts. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And also make sure to join our chat room. We call out long-term investing ideas, and over here we do swing trading, day trading, and we post our charts and analysis, everything. Head over to my website, pinnacletrading.us, to join our free chat room, or link is in the description below. And if you want to learn how to create a powerful portfolio, how to learn when to rebalance portfolios, and how to create a portfolio that really works for you, make sure to check out my course. I offer stock market education, how to trade and invest, stocks, options, futures, and some of my secrets to you to help you cut your learning curve. So make sure to hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you in my next video.